This is Ben Meiselas, and this is a MeidasTouch Network breaking news update. A federal district court judge in the Northern District of Georgia just ordered Lindsey Graham to testify in the Fulton County special grand jury proceeding convened by Fani Willis in connection with 2020 election fraud. Lindsey Graham had previously objected to testifying. He has cited the speech and debate clause, claiming that his conduct constituted legitimate legislative activity and that he was simply fact-finding to determine how the election process actually worked. But that was in contradiction to what Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger said, who said in his testimony it was clear that the implication that Lindsey Graham was saying was that he literally wanted Brad Raffensperger and Georgia election officials to throw out legitimate votes and throw out legitimate ballots to overturn the election in favor of Donald Trump. Recall that the special grand jury has been convened in Georgia by District Attorney Fani Willis and has been issuing a slew of subpoenas. Just last week, Rudy Giuliani was ordered to testify. This week before the special grand jury, representatives and state representatives who also were the fake elector slates were convened before this grand jury. Subpoenas were sent to them, and many of them objected to having to testify. And in fact, they got notices that they were targets of a criminal investigation by Fani Willis. But the big breaking news headline right now to report is that Lindsey Graham must testify before the special grand jury in Georgia. The federal ruling before Judge Lee Martin May stated the following: because the record must be more fully developed before the court can address the applicability of the speech and debate clause to specific questions or lines of inquiry, and because Senator Graham's only request in removing the subpoena to this court was to quash the subpoena in its entirety, the case is remanded to the Superior Court of Fulton County for further proceedings, May wrote in the ruling. And what that basically just means is that the questions will be asked to Lindsey Graham, and he can assert his objections at that time when he's asked those questions. This federal judge also got similar arguments by a member of Congress, Jody Hice. And Jody Hice was a member of Congress. Just to tell you who Jody Hice was, in addition to aiding and abetting the insurrection, Jody Hice just went on TV the other night and said this about the FBI search of Mar-a-Lago. Play the clip.
I mean, who is to say in this kind of case that some of the documents supposedly seized were not planted there to begin with?
Yeah, so Jody Hice is a MAGA extremist. Same with Lindsey Graham. And Lindsey Graham, recall, made the statement that to the extent the Republican Party elected Donald Trump, they would all be destroyed. Well, Lindsey Graham, this is the destroyed part of the story. This is Ben Meiselas with another MeidasTouch Network breaking news update. Please make sure to subscribe right now to the MeidasTouch YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button, please. Thank you.